simple stoichiometry problem relating grams of calcium oxide to grams of calcium carbonate. We're given our balanced chemical equation. We're going to have to do some mass mole conversion, so we'll need formula weights for both calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. We have our formula weights. We want to start with the measured number we're given, 13.5 grams of calcium carbonate. We're going to have to convert that to moles. Now that we know the moles of calcium carbonate, we can relate that to moles of calcium oxide using our balanced chemical equation. This is a very forgiving problem in that it's a 1-to-1 mole ratio. Now that we know the moles of calcium oxide, we can calculate the grams of calcium oxide. So we have our calculator answer. Looking at sig figs, 3 sig figs, 5. This is exact, so it doesn't impact sig figs. 4 sig figs, so we're limited to 3 sig figs by our initial number. And we have our final answer, 7.56 grams.